the 2025 Ford Ikon is back with a bold statement, blending classic charm and modern engineering. This latest iteration captures the attention of compact sedan enthusiasts with its refined design, practical features, and competitive pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Ikon showcases a sleek aerodynamic profile with a refreshed front grille and LED headlamps that give it a more aggressive stance. The alloy wheels come standard on mid and top variants, while subtle creases along the body enhance its dynamic appeal. The rear end features sharp LED tail lights and a slightly sportier bumper design, making the Ikon stand out on city streets. Under the hood, Ford offers two engine options. The base model is powered by a 1.2-litre three-cylinder petrol engine producing around 90 horsepower, ideal for daily commutes and fuel efficiency. For those looking for a bit more punch, there's a 1.5-litre four-cylinder petrol engine that delivers around 115 horsepower, paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. Mileage is expected to be around 18 to 20 km/L depending on the variant and driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Ikon receives a significant upgrade. A new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto takes center stage. The dashboard is wrapped in soft touch materials, and the seats are more supportive, offering better long-distance comfort. Top trims include automatic climate control, a sunroof, push-button start, and a rear-view camera. Safety has also been enhanced. Standard across all variants are dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX mounts. Higher trims offer side airbags, electronic stability control, and a tire pressure monitoring system. As for pricing, the 2025 Ford Ikon is expected to start at approximately a superscript 17.5 lakhs, around $9,000 for the base variant, with top-end models going up to a superscript 10.5 lakhs, about $12,500. This places it competitively within the compact sedan segment, making it a value-packed offering. In summary, the 2025 Ford Ikon blends affordability with smart features, a stylish design, and a practical driving experience, reaffirming Ford's commitment to delivering dependable and fun-to-drive vehicles for everyday use.